long life yogurt business recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt which can last for 2 to 3 months without using yogurt to make yogurt. I'm Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. So whoever is watching, please like this video. New members, please subscribe so that you can get daily recipes. So we are going to begin by measuring our milk. So we are going to need 2 liters of milk. Those are 4 cups. So you measure the milk, apply it in the clean saucepan. Then you are going to light your sigiri or your gas, but make sure that it is low heat. It is not, make sure that it is low heat. So apply your milk. So you're going to cook it until 60 degrees Celsius. Cook it or warm it. In fact, warm it until 60 degrees Celsius. You can use a thermometer. Then you're going to start by measuring the dry ingredients. We need starch, 30 grams. Those are 2 tablespoons. Starch, 30 grams. Those are 2 tablespoons full. Then you're going to apply them in the bowl. Apply starch in the bowl. Then you're going to measure pestine. Pestine, 2.4 grams. That's half a what? Half a teaspoon. Then apply the pestine to the starch. Then after, you're going to measure sugar. Sugar is 140 grams. Those are 6 to 7 tablespoons. 6 to 7 tablespoons. So you also measure sugar, you add it to the cornstarch and pestine. Then you're going to mix all those ingredients together. So mix all those 3 ingredients together. So you can get these ingredients in bakery shops or you WhatsApp me. Then after you mix those ingredients together, then back to our milk, make sure that it has just warmed. Then apply your 3 ingredients. Make sure that it's not hot. Yes, just when it has just begun to warm, then apply your 3 ingredients, then mix continuously up to 80 degrees. Up to 80 degrees Celsius. If you have a thermometer, please use a thermometer. You can buy it. It is there. You buy a food thermometer. Then after, you need it to 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. But make sure that it does not boil. And make sure that you're on low heat. And make sure that it has doubled the warmth from the one which was at 60 degrees. Then after, you're going to set it aside. Then leave it to cool for 42 to 45 degrees Celsius. So if you don't have time, you can warm it, you can cool it yourself. Or we need it at lukewarm. We need it at lukewarm. So so we need it at lukewarm. You can even use your finger. When you apply your finger when the milk is too hot, when it is too hot, you can feel it. You can feel it. But when you apply your finger, when your finger can stay there without feeling that too much heat, that means that's the what? That's the 42 to 45 degrees Celsius. Remember, I'm Chef Josh Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. You can comment where you're watching my videos from. So you can try this recipe. Trust me, you will not regret. Then after cooling it, we are going to apply, you can see now it has cooled. We are going to apply curry. We are going to apply curry. Curry, you're going to apply 1/4 teaspoon. Curry, we are going to apply 1/4 teaspoon. Curry, apply 1/4 teaspoon. Then after applying curry, you mix. After applying curry, you mix. Then after, we are going to get a clean bowl or a clean container. Then apply your mixture. Then after applying your mixture, you are going to cover with the cover. Then you are going to cover it either with a blanket or with a heavy cloth. You cover it for 4 to 5 hours. Yes, set it aside at the safe place, then cover it for those minutes. For those hours. So after 4 to 5 hours, you can see the results. 4 to 5 hours, please. You can see the results. It is thick and smooth. You can see it. Then start mixing it. Then if you are going to pack it, like I'm going to do, first strain it. After straining, then apply any flavor you want. So me, I applied vanilla essence. So you can apply any flavor of your choice. So we are going to apply the preservative, Natapro. Natapro, we are going to apply 1/4 teaspoon. Apply Natapro, then you mix. Then after mixing, you pack in your jerry cans. Then you put in the fridge. You can keep it in the fridge for a night or for 24 hours. then you sell. It is good to go. Remember, I'm Chef Joshua Omusiisisiisi from Kampala, Uganda. So after the fridge, you are going to see the result. It has doubled the thickness. So after the fridge, you can see. This result is after the fridge. You can see it. So it is good to go. You enjoy your what? Your yogurt. If you want to train cookery, bakery, barista, and pastries, you can come and join Super Kitchen School. We train cookery, bakery, barista, and pastries in short courses and full courses. If you come from far, please, we offer accommodation. We are fully registered at the ministry, and our new intake is soon. So come and register so that you can become a professional chef in cookery, bakery, barista, and pastries. I sign out.